Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Just 8 minutes from Mandeville town. This home with a nice family feel to it, generous flow of light, lovely bedrooms, well-kept bathrooms, spacious living room, separate dining lead to well-appointed kitchen can be yours. With half acre or 25,000 square feet of land, the possibilities are endless to expand your garden or to add to the various fruit trees on the property. Some trees on this property includes avocado, breadfruit, ackee, tangerine, limes, and much more. Some features of this house include ceramic tile, garden area, water heater, grilled, kitchen built-ins, main level entry, fully fenced, central location, easy access to Mandeville town, family oriented, recreation nearby, and quiet area. The asking price for this house is US 195,000 or Jamaican $30 million. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.